Good morning to everyone. Today I'll be telling you something about javelin. What is the weight of javelin for men? The weight of the javelin for men is 800 grams, whereas for the women's it is 600 grams. Today I'll be telling you something about javelin grip or how to hold it. So javelin grip needs some requirements. First requirement is alignment of the javelin. When holding the javelin, we need to align the javelin in a correct way. Second requirement is throw. For this, we need to know the grip, proper grip. Proper grip help us to or enable us to control the javelin perfectly. Third requirement is energy transfer. We need to make sure all our energy produced is transferred to the javelin with a proper grip. There are common ways to hold the javelin. These are American grip, Finnish grip, and V grip. Now let us see American grip. Just keep the javelin fixed into the ground or hold it with the other hand. Now slide down the javelin with the thumb and the pointing finger closely wrapped around the javelin, and when you get the feeling that I am behind the grip, just wrap all the fingers around the javelin. Now let us see the practical. Okay, let us see now the American grip. What I told, just keep the javelin fixed into the ground. Okay, now it is fixed. Hold it with the other hand or hold it with the other hand like this. Now slide down. Slide down with the thumb and the pointing finger. Suppose it is fixed, slide down. It is going down. Okay. Now what I told, closely wrapped around the javelin. It is closely wrapped around the javelin. And when you get the feeling that I am behind the grip, that means this part behind the grip, wrap all the fingers around the javelin. This is the position. Slide down with the thumb and the pointing finger. Now as you go near the grip, or you get the feeling that I am near the grip, just wrap all your fingers around the javelin. This is the American grip. Just see, this is the American grip. In case of the American grip, make sure that the pointing finger is tied to the grip, and wrap all the fingers so as to transfer most of the energy you produced to the javelin. This was American grip. Now let us see the Finnish grip. Same, fix the javelin into the ground or just hold it with the other hand. Then keep the pointing finger close to the tuck of the javelin and thumb wrap around the grip. First of all, slide it. As soon as you have reached to the grip, in the Finnish grip, this finger is the main finger. Keep the pointing finger close to the tuck of the javelin. Now with these two, middle finger and the thumb, you slide down. As soon as you reach up to the grip, just wrap the other two altar fingers. Pointing finger should be placed close to the tuck of the javelin. Just have a look. This is Finnish grip. Once again, pointing finger keep close to the tuck of the javelin. Now thumb and middle finger, slide down with the thumb and the middle finger. Okay. Tuck the pointing finger close to the tuck of the javelin. Okay. Now these two altar fingers wrap on the grip. So this is what is known as Finnish grip. Now let us see the third technique, V grip. V. This is V. Keep the javelin down. Hold with the V. Slide down. As soon as you reach up to the or near the grip, wrap with the thumb and the fingers. Wrap with the thumb and the fingers tightly. It is the easiest grip. People use it when having problem in the thumb or elbow. Once again, let us see. Slide from the back of the javelin into the grip with the V, pointing finger and the middle finger under or near to the grip. Okay, done. Now as you feel that I am near the grip, just wrap with the other two fingers and the thumb. This is what is known as V grip. These all are the techniques of holding the javelin. These techniques differ from individual to individual. This is the simple way to explain how your grip should be. You you should be able to control the javelin. You should be able to transfer the energy all you produce to the javelin and feel comfortable when you throw the javelin. So these were the key points when you are going for the grip of the javelin. So this was all about the grip of a javelin. Thank you.